Click on the link below to get coupon. AMGUI Luxury Modern Prefab Cabin, the ultimate tiny home for off-grid living. Thanks for joining us again as we dive into the world of tiny homes. For those seeking an efficient, durable, and modern tiny home, the AMGUI Luxury Modern Prefab Cabin stands out as an advanced mobile capsule that combines innovative design, extreme weather resistance, and ease of installation. Whether you're looking for a tiny house under $50,000, comparing it to Boxabl or Weizhengheng prefab homes, or exploring DIY prefab kits, this stormproof prefab cabin offers luxurious comfort in a compact space. Key features that make the AMGUI Luxury Modern Prefab Cabin stand out. 1. Compact yet spacious design. Smart use of every inch. Maximizing space is key for prefab homes, and the AMGUI Luxury Modern Prefab Cabin does this exceptionally well. 273 SQF of optimized living space, incorporating a bedroom, kitchen, and bathroom for full functionality. Innovative modular storage systems ensure minimal clutter and maximum efficiency. Prefabricated DIY garden home setup allows flexibility in landscaping and customization. This smart layout makes the cabin ideal for remote living, urban tiny home setups, and even off-grid retreats. 2. Storm-resistant, ultra-durable construction, engineered for safety. Built for harsh weather conditions, the AMGUI Luxury Modern Prefab Cabin is one of the most durable prefab homes available. Withstands 16 level typhoons and 12 magnitude earthquakes, making it perfect for disaster-prone areas. Mortise and tenon framework strengthens the structure without requiring complex support beams. Premium insulation technology reduces external temperature fluctuations, ensuring energy efficiency. Unlike traditional log cabins or wooden prefab homes, the AMGUI model is reinforced for extreme durability, making it a secure long-term investment. 3. Quick assembly, seamless installation, move-in ready in hours. The AMGUI Luxury Modern Prefab Cabin is designed for easy setup, eliminating the need for heavy machinery or complex construction. Pre-built and delivered, similar to Boxabl Nomad 20K purchase options, offering immediate usability. Can be assembled in 8 hours using basic household tools. No professional builders needed. Smart wiring interface allows quick connection to utilities, making installation fast and convenient. Compared to traditional prefab kits, this model drastically reduces installation time, allowing owners to move in quickly. Comparisons. How does the AMGUI Luxury Modern Prefab Cabin stack up? AMGUI versus Boxabl Prefab Homes. Boxabl specializes in foldable designs, while AMGUI is a fixed modular unit. AMGUI is better suited for extreme climates, offering storm resistance and reinforced insulation. Boxabl Nomad 20K is smaller, whereas AMGUI provides a more spacious interior for comfortable living. AMGUI versus Weizhengheng Prefab Homes. Weizhengheng models prioritize modular expansions, while AMGUI is a standalone compact unit. AMGUI excels in extreme weather resilience, making it ideal for unpredictable climate conditions. Weizhengheng prefab cabins feature traditional aesthetics, whereas AMGUI adopts a sleek, modern look. AMGUI versus Lillavilla log cabins. Lillavilla cabins offer natural wood construction, while AMGUI uses high-tech composite materials for greater durability. Log cabins require more maintenance, whereas AMGUI's prefab structure is virtually maintenance-free. Lillavilla models often lack integrated utilities, but AMGUI includes pre-installed electrical and plumbing setups for instant use. Final thoughts. Is the AMGUI Luxury Modern Prefab Cabin worth it? If you're looking for a compact, durable, and easy-to-install prefab home, the AMGUI Luxury Modern Prefab Cabin is a top-tier choice. Whether you're buying a tiny house under $20,000, comparing shipping container homes, or exploring DIY prefab kits, this storm-resistant cabin ensures comfort, safety, and efficiency. Key reasons to invest in the AMGUI Luxury Modern Prefab Cabin. Effortless setup, ready in just 8 hours. Extreme weather resistance, outperforming Boxabl and Weizhengheng prefab homes. Compact yet spacious, featuring a bedroom, kitchen, and bathroom for full functionality. Energy-efficient insulation, reducing heating and cooling costs. Modern aesthetics, with a sleek capsule design ideal for urban or off-grid living. Ready to upgrade your tiny home experience? The AMGUI Luxury Modern Prefab Cabin might be the perfect solution for you. Click on the link below to get coupon.